Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on Vivo V29 Lite. The sound settings can be found in the Settings app. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, and now I'm gonna get you through all of the available settings. The first four are sliders for volume. You can adjust the media volume, which is music and videos. You can see that you can hear a preview after you adjust the volume. You can do the same with ring volume, which is for incoming calls ringtone, notification volume, and alarm volume. Then you can go to use the volume buttons to adjust, and you can set it to media or ringtone, so you can choose which volume bar will be adjusted by clicking on the volume buttons. You can see that when it's now set to media, I'm adjusting the media volume, and when I set it to ringtone, it adjusts the ringtone volume. Let's go back to media, then volume adjustment per app. When you enable it, then you'll be able to adjust volume differently for different apps. Then vibrate for incoming calls. You can set it to never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. Then you can enable or disable vibrate for notifications. Then here is do not disturb mode. You can enable it to disable notifications, and you can set some exceptions, so who can call you to interrupt do not disturb, who can message you to interrupt do not disturb, which apps can interrupt do not disturb, and whether alarms and other can interrupt do not disturb. You can also set a schedule for do not disturb mode. Then you can go to media and you can enable or disable these options. Then you can go down, and here is phone or ringtone. You can change it by just clicking on any sound. You'll hear a preview of how it sounds, and if you like it, you can just go back, and now it's set, and it works the same for notification volume, which you can also change, and alarm volume, which can be changed as well. Then you can go to dial pad tones, which you can enable or disable, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, screen capture tone, touch vibration, and vibrate when the other party answers or hangs up. And you can go to sound quality and effects and go to audio super resolution, and when you enable it, it will improve low quality audio and video and audio files. Then you can go to listening experience customization to set up earphone adaptation, ear customization, and listening experience preferences. Then you can go back and you can go to super audio, and you can set the mode to AI, films, games, and music, and also audio redirect. And you can set it so you can choose, for example, which apps will play audio on your phone and which will play on external Bluetooth device. For example, you can play music on an external device at the same time. Meanwhile, you play some videos on your phone. And these are all of the settings within Sounds and Vibration tab in Settings on Vivo V29 Lite. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.